This video is going to demonstrate to you how I want you to gather your evidence for your essay for the DONS, your assessment task. So first of all, the prompt will be, it is Paul's relationships with others which helps him become a better person. We've already had discussions around this, and that was this board here where I showed you what Paul was like at the start of the novel and how he grew and changed. These are some of the keywords you are going to select from, plus any others that you would like to use. You'll draw up a table like this. I'll come back to it shortly, but you will put the keywords that you believe that Nonno helped Paul become more responsible, so he became a better person. Nonno helped Paul develop greater empathy, so he became a better person. From responsibility, give examples of how he became more responsible. Well, we know that Paul had to care for his nonno and supervise him in his bath. And an example of a quote from the text showing that he has greater responsibility is that Nonno relies on me to keep him steady and level. This may be a quote that can demonstrate that Paul becomes more responsible through his relationship with Nonno. In addition, you would need more than one example of how Paul learns and becomes a better person from his relationship with Nonno. Another example would be that Paul develops greater empathy for his Nonno and people in general. And Paul's Nonno shares his stories of his youth, in particular the war stories with Nonno. And a quote is, "They shot Zio. He looks straight at me and I shiver." You need to do the same for each of the three characters that you choose that help Paul become a better person. Now, what will you use to gather this information? Well, there are lots and lots of sources that I've placed on Sector. We've got the brainstorming sheets here. Plus we have all of these quotes that you can derive your evidence from that have been shared with you. So basically today you're trying to build your case and gather your evidence and put it into some sort of formal structure so that these will become your body paragraphs, and these are the key words that should feature in your topic sentence, which is not a simple sentence. It will be a complex sentence or a compound sentence featuring these words.